EV battery dead sooner than expected? Avoid these 4 mistakes. Are you accidentally sabotaging your electric car's battery life and setting yourself up for thousands in repair bills down the road? If the thought of a prematurely dead EV battery keeps you up at night, you're in the right place. In the next few minutes, I'm going to reveal the 4 biggest battery-killing mistakes EV owners make, and more importantly, how to dodge them. Avoiding these will save you serious money and keep your EV running strong for years to come. First up, Chapter 1, the Overcharging Trap. How often do you plug in and charge to 100%? I get it. You want that full range. But regularly maxing out your battery is like constantly redlining your engine. It puts a ton of stress on the cells. Think of it like this. Imagine constantly inflating a balloon to its absolute maximum. Eventually, it's going to weaken and possibly burst. Same principle applies here. The sweet spot? Aim to keep your battery between 20% and 80% for daily driving. Only top it off to 100% when you absolutely need the extended range for a longer trip. I saw a guy at the charging station bragging about always charging to 100%. 2 years later, his battery lost 30 miles of range. A simple change in charging habits can dramatically extend your battery's lifespan and keep more money in your pocket. On screen now is a graphic showing battery degradation over time with different charging habits. Notice the difference? Chapter 2, the deep discharge danger. Letting your battery drain completely to 0% isn't just inconvenient, it's actively harmful. Deep discharges can cause irreversible damage to the battery cells. It's like repeatedly running your phone battery down to 0. Remember how quickly that used to kill your old phone. It's the same with your EV, only the stakes are much higher. I heard a story about an EV owner who kept running their battery down to almost nothing, thinking they were maximizing efficiency. They ended up needing a costly battery replacement way sooner than expected. Don't make the same mistake. Avoid consistently dropping below that 20% mark. Treat your battery gently, and it'll reward you with years of reliable service. Think of it like this. Constantly pushing your battery to its absolute limit is like repeatedly bending a paperclip. Eventually, it's going to snap. Chapter 3, the fast charging frenzy. DC fast charging is a lifesaver when you're on a road trip and need a quick boost. But relying on an * all the time *, that's a recipe for battery degradation. The problem is the heat. Fast charging generates a lot of heat, and excessive heat accelerates battery wear and tear. Think of it like repeatedly sprinting instead of jogging. Occasional sprints are fine, but constant sprinting will wear you out quickly. Similarly, occasional fast charging is okay, but make slower, level 2 charging your go-to method whenever possible. Plug in at home overnight or use level 2 chargers at work or around town. It's a slower process, but it's much kinder to your battery. I know it's tempting to always use the fastest option, but a little patience can save you a lot of money in the long run. Balance convenience with battery health. A good rule of thumb is to limit fast charging to only when you absolutely need it, like on long trips. Chapter 4, the temperature threat. Extreme temperatures, both hot and cold, can wreak havoc on your EV battery. Leaving your EV baking in the summer sun is like putting your phone on the dashboard on a hot day. It gets sluggish and overheats. Extreme heat accelerates degradation. And on the flip side, freezing temperatures reduce your battery's capacity and range. The ideal temperature for EV battery health is generally between 60 and 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Your EV battery is happiest in a Goldilocks zone, not too hot, not too cold, but just right. Whenever possible, park in the shade, in a garage, or use a car cover to protect it from the elements. Many newer EVs also have battery preconditioning features. Use them! They're designed to keep your battery at its optimal temperature, especially before charging or driving in extreme weather. It's like warming up your car engine on a cold day. Preconditioning helps your battery perform at its best and protects it from temperature-related damage. For example, Teslas have a feature that allows you to preheat or pre-cool the battery before a supercharger session, which can significantly improve charging speeds and reduce stress on the battery. Similarly, some Nissan Leafs have a battery warmer that kicks in during cold weather to maintain optimal battery temperature. Check your owner's manual to see what temperature management features your EV has. So, there you had it, the 4 biggest EV battery killing habits and how to avoid them. Overcharging, deep discharging, the fast charging frenzy, and extreme temperatures. Simple changes, massive impact. Which habit will you ditch first to save your battery? Comment below. Like and subscribe for more EV battery saving tips. We're constantly uploading new videos packed with tips and tricks to help you get the most out of your electric vehicle. Let's all drive smarter and save money together.